Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine and doing very good in your life. Back again with a new video, new style and new designs. In this video guys, I'm going to show you different type of latest amazing and beautiful ideas. Wooden work, beautiful pattern, wooden work, beautiful projects. I hope you guys enjoy these amazing ideas. In this video, I'm going to show you different wooden things, different wooden projects and different latest ideas. I hope you guys enjoy this amazing video. Hopefully you guys love this amazing wooden projects, ideas, designs and style. These beautiful wooden work projects and designs are so beautiful. Hopefully you guys love these amazing ideas. Hopefully you guys love this amazing pattern. Wooden work projects ideas that I am going to show you are so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy this amazing wooden work projects ideas, style and designs. If you like these beautiful wooden work projects, designs and style, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Hopefully you guys like my video. Hopefully you guys love this amazing style and designs. I always try best and nice ideas, beautiful and gorgeous style and unique designs to show you guys from my videos. These beautiful, perfect and nice ideas and style of wooden are so beautiful. You can see different amazing designs. You can see different amazing style. Hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully you guys love these amazing designs. If you are new, if you are a girl, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoy this amazing, beautiful and trendy ideas and style. There are many type of wood projects including woodworking and sustainable timber and ceiling wood projects. Woodworking, the process of making useful and decorative objects from wood such as furniture, cabinets, bowl and different doors, wardrobe, more kitchen things and wardrobe and vanity and bed. Woodworking technology techniques includes wood turning journey, the wood carving. Some popular woodworking projects include picture frames, coffee table and wooden bottle holders and some birds houses, outdoor planters and different gardens things. A company that sources, process and creates sustainable timber products such as furniture and feature pots. They may also offer tree removal survive services and recycle as much the trees as possible. You can sell your projects online or marketplaces and like Amazon and Handmade or eBay. You can also set up a booth at local craft fairs, farmers markets or artist markets. So wooden sign kitchen projects, you can also make different wooden things like you can make from wood tables, irons, you can make outdoors, you can make tables, you can make chairs, sofas, bed, household items, decoration items, frames, wall hanging pieces and so many things that you can create from wood. Hopefully you guys like these amazing ideas. So hope you guys enjoy this amazing and beautiful and latest ideas. So thank you so much for watching my new video, new style and new designs. We will be right back, and hopefully you guys like my video. Hopefully you guys love these amazing designs, love this amazing style. Take care, keep spotting me, and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Hopefully you guys like all the new videos, ideas and beautiful designs and beautiful style. And take care. I hope you guys enjoy these amazing ideas and designs, and bye bye.